Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Legian area on Arjuna Street and Werkudara Street. If you want to know how the situation at the moment right there, keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Kuta area on Arjuna Street and Werkudara Street. And now we are in Arjuna Street. If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. I mean, it's very clear, very sunny. But the street is very quiet. You can see on the sidewalk, it's very empty, isn't it? It's not so many people there. And also the shop there is still closed. Actually, Arjuna Street is very famous for business area because there's a lot of tourists from other country. They buy a lot of stuff here and they send to their country, like export from Bali. But you see today, during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali, this area is very quiet. You see left side and right side, there's on the sidewalk is empty. And so far, I didn't see any car and motorbike drive around on this road. Just very quiet. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Because I believe there is a lot of people waiting for information, update about Bali. Okay, from Arjuna Street we turn left and we will explore Werkudara Street. And now we are in Werkudara Street. In this area, there is a lot of hotel, cafe, and not so many shops. So we start from here, the right side there is restaurant, but they're closed. You see the hotel right side? They are closed. It's very sad. And actually in this area there is a lot of hotel actually. So that's why before the pandemic corona, a lot of people walk around on the street because the street is like connecting from Arjuna Street until to the Padma area. But you see on the road it's very empty. It's very quiet. Even you see the shop on the left side, there is closed. If I turn right, it's around 300 meters. There is Double Six Beach. But today we're just going to be explore Arjuna Street and Werkudara Street. You see the right side, there is Kumala Pantai Hotel. And left side, there is shop and hotel. Also very quiet. It's very quiet, isn't it? And on the right side, there is Jayakarta Hotel. But you see, on the road it's very empty. Okay, now we turn left and we continue explore about Werkudara Street. Restaurant right side. There's the bank left side, so that's why there's a lot more motorbike and car parking right there. But on the street, that's still very quiet. Restaurant right side and some shop left side, but also closed. Hotel at the front, Kusnadi Hotel. Look very quiet. You see, it's just not so many people. Mingo Hotel right side. A lot of shop left side, they also closed. It's very bad. Imagine, they already closed around 2 years. They shop and they are already rent the shop in the high price. But it's very sad because they have to close their shop during the pandemic corona. So this is the condition at the moment in Werkudara Street during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali on the end of August 2021. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.